Hey folks, so I'm here with the EufyMake UV printer. This is a really cool UV curable ink printer. If you were watching this video, you probably already know what it is. And printing off these really cool hamsas, which are kind of a spiritual charm for people traveling within Palestine to wish them peace and safety and comfort. My friend made these, and donations are going to the Children's Hospital. Super cool. They're going to be sold at a craft fair coming up. And so I'm just helping them make more of these using the nice printer here. But one thing I thought I'd share, which I think is super cool, is I added some extra black around the edge just to make sure that the print comes out perfectly. But by accident, this has actually created a jig, a 3-dimensional or 2.5 dimensional jig by doing this, so that I actually get to align each of these prints perfectly. So I've been doing a whole bunch of these, and I just thought I'd share that. You know, I'm doing all these different colors and stuff. And yeah, it's a little trick. If you want to make a jig, you know, you start off, I just started off like that, you know, right? Printed the first one, and I think by maybe the second or third print, it started to form this outer edge. Uses up a little bit of ink, but the color, you know, the black is nowhere near as expensive as the white, from what I understand. And it's certainly made printing a lot easier, and it'll be easy to clean up. I'll just pull up the tape at the end. Hope this video is useful. Hey, and just to show you all what I did in the software, just to make clear how that jig was formed. Apologize for the refresh rate issue, but you'll notice that the black for the image, it just extends beyond the wood. So it's just like a bleed, an additional bleed area that's forming that extra outline, which becomes a 2.5 dimensional jig.